Only advice to the members of Uzbekistan is that DXN is a global family, it's a global opportunity. Health, wealth and happiness. And you are the advocate or the messenger to transmit this opportunity to other people so that their life also can be successful like yours. This opportunity throughout the world. They can do this business sitting in Uzbekistan, anywhere in the world. And international business is in their hands. And the income possibility and potential is huge. If they do not know anybody in other countries, they can promote, recommend through social media or whichever mode, and they can start getting income every month from these countries. And our main focus is on health. So my only advice to all the members is that keep doing, believe in the company, believe in yourself, believe in the product, keep using the product, recommend to other people, because there are so many people waiting for an opportunity as well as on financial freedom of the people. And continue to do, one day you will see you really become successful and achieve whatever you want in your life.